Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another unboxing that I just got in recently. But maybe before I start I should tell you that maybe you would like to grab a drink or a little snack. I have here a nice pastry that I just got. So like I mentioned, this will be unboxing, so it could be a little bit longer than your usually videos that I do. Okay, but let us start. So here in the box are fresh from Games Workshop the new Warhammer 40,000 mystery faction pin badges. So these are probably produced by Koyo, or these are called Koyo Warhammer 40,000 mystery pins. So they are sold through Games Workshop, their website, and they are as a, let's say, blind buy option. So you don't know what kind of pin you will be getting. Okay, so let us start. So here should be 10 packs. Let me check. Yes, 10 pieces. They are they are €9.99. Shipping is always up to from 50 euros free shipping from Games Workshop. So these are the packs, and here you have all of them. So let us see if we could get as little as possible duplicates. I have a pull here, so I don't be needing the knife. So the first one here are the orcs. The second one, this looks like the Mechanicum, Adeptus Mechanicus. Oh, we have a double one. Which one is this? And I got the golden Aquila. So they announced that there will be a special pin from your standard Imperial Aquila, so Imperial double-headed eagle. And I got one. Wow, I'm very happy. So another Adeptus Mechanicus. The Necrons. Another orc pin. So now we have two duplicates. Another orc, so probably there are lots of orc pins floating around. This looks like these are the Gene Stealers, probably. Yeah, or the Tyranids, because they don't have their own faction pin. So here's the Tau, and the last one. Okay, so let's hope for the standard Aquila, and it is. Woo! So man, I got lucky today. So Christmas. Yes, we can say it's a Christmas present for myself. Not to be too melodramatic about it, but yeah. So here are my pins here. So definitely, if you like to own something like this. Previously, Games Workshop did release a few pins. Some of them were available with some limited edition books, collector's edition items, and also at Warhammer's Day 2019, if you visited the Games Workshop shop, any kind of retailer, so the retail front store, with the purchase, they will give you also then on that day the pin. You can see it right there. Okay. So what I'm missing here, I will obviously show them to you so you can see. So let me show it to you. Okay, so we are missing the Inquisition, Chaos, I don't need that. Then what is this one? The Eldari, Sisters of Battle, that would be nice, but it is what it is. So, and also this is the Adeptus Astartes, so the Space Marines have also special pin. Or it is the Guard. No, now I'm confused. So Space Marines. Here it is. Here are the all. So we have Inquisition, Space Marines, Adeptus Sororitas, Adeptus Mechanicus, Astra Militarum. Which one is Astra Militarum then? Okay, so let's see. So Eldari, Tyranids, and Necron. So probably this is Astra Militarum, because I know here is the Astra Militarum. Yeah. Okay, so the Astartes, so the Space Marines, the Imperial Guard, the Imperial Eagle, and the golden one. I don't know if it shows. No, all the pictures. So yes, they are still available. So if you want to get one, then I will link you down below to the Games Workshop website. Probably they will sell out at some point. I don't know if this is a limited edition or they will be available only at a certain time period. But at this moment they are still available. That is subject to change, of course. Okay, so this was a mystery faction pin badge unboxing. If you have any questions, then please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also this sort of unboxing and new content that I try to produce for you. So, wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.